Namaskara. Welcome to walktotemple.info. This is our website homepage. Here you can see our tagline Hari Sarvotman Vayu Jeevotma, and these are all the options we have our home, search, and contact us pages. And in the home page, you can see the marquee tag running on which informs about latest features we have added. And this page gives a brief introduction about our website, and these are all the basic search modules we have, that you can search Moola Brindavana and Sri Vyasaraja Tirtha Pratishtham Mukhya Devur temples, and yearly special tab which gives basic Panchanga details. This is our search page where you can search Moola Brindavana Mukhya Devur temple, yearly special, and basic Panchanga details. First we cover about Moola Brindavana. All these fields have autocomplete feature enabled, so you can search with some three characters. So it will list down all the ethical names like that we have for all the fields. To search, we'll search with the basic state. Tamil Nadu state we will select, and it will show. It will autocomplete. You can select Tamil Nadu and you can search. It will show all the Moola Brindavana in Tamil Nadu. So it will have these details: ethical name, location, district, state, name, is Ashrama Gurugulu, Ashrama Shisheru, Aradhana date, and Madhya Aradhana date. So in the location tab, you can see a link. If you click on the link, it will open in Google Map, and it will show the exact location. Likewise, you can see the Aradhana date. It will display the details in Panchanga format, and Madhya Aradhana date it is in English format. Once you click on the link, it will give you an option to enter your Google account details. So it will get added as a calendar reminder. So next we will go to Devra temple search page. Here also we have autocomplete list enabled. So here we will try to search with Tirupur district. So it will show you the details about temple name, location, district, state, and web reference. Web reference is if any official website we have for the temple. So for this temple we have a official web link. So this is for Arunagad Hanumantaraya Swami Temple, Dharapuram. And likewise we have a travel tip. It will show if there are any other Moola Brindavana located in the district. So for Tirupur district we have one Moola Brindavana. Let us cross verify in Moola Brindavana search page. I will enter as Tirupur. So you can see a ethical name, Sri Guru Bhakti Nidhi Swami Guru. He is a BD Sannyasi, and his Moola Brindavana is located in Dharapuram in Tirupur district. Okay, let's go to yearly. Special tab. Here you can select event to get the dates of the events. Maybe I will go with festivals. I will select search. It will show the basic details of year and what is the event type and event name from month to date. And here also we have a add reminder option. Once you click on the link, it will ask for your Google account details. Once you enter those details, it will get added as a reminder in your Google Calendar. The next is basic Panchanga page. Here you can see Panchanga details day wise and month wise. So the date is defaulted to the latest Ugadi date. So I will select current date. So I'll select the student. So it will give you basic details about date, avara, samvatsara, masa, paksha, tithi, and tithi and time, nakshatra, rahu kala, and yamaganda. And you can, if you want to see for the whole month, you can select as this month and you can search. So it will give the complete details of the month. So next we have this contact us page. You can see the contact us, and you can give the basic details about your name and your email ID, and you can give us feedback, comments, and you can submit it. Thanks for watching this video.